Hi riders! Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about new 2022 Vespa GTS 300 Super Harlequin. So make sure to watch the full video. The most colorful bird in the Vespa customizing stable. The Austrian Vespa and Piaggio general importer Faber sums it up. An Italian icon on the Austrian customization workbench. The new colorful Vespa GTS 300 Super Harlequin lives up to its additional name. The Austrian Vespa general importer Faber shows what is possible with a customizing project called Vespa GTS 300 Super Harlequin. The modification of a total of 11 brand new Vespas was tackled for this. This is not just any shirt sleeve conversion. A team of experts has taken on the subject of Vespa customizing on behalf of Faber. The Vespa GTS 300 Super Harlequin was built from original spare parts and features a unique patchwork look. The yellow foot pegs are from Faber, the exhaust from Acropovic, and the dark green side panels are from the yellow luggage compartment. The seat, rims, set of treads, luggage compartment covers, and battery cover were borrowed from the Vespa Yacht Club special model. The Scene Wotherspoon 125 is just one of 11 models available for customizing by the Austrian Vespa dealer network. The project was inspired by a conversation with a Czech comedian who wanted a similarly colorful design to the one that he created with Piaggio last year. A Vespa GTS 300 Super in the basic color Rosso Passion served as the basic model for this project. What do you think about the Vespa GTS 300? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button.